Amusement parks, the best place for all of the fried foods. But wait, if you're like us and you have dietary restrictions, those fried foods can be a major no-go. What are you going to eat? Don't worry, we've got your back. As many of you guys know by now, we go to Indiana Beach a lot, and this year is our first summer with a diabetic member of our family. So we're checking out all of the foods we can and can't eat without worrying about sugar spikes. 99% of the time when we go to the parks, Pronto Pups is our very first spot, and my daughter has always loved a cheese dog from the Pronto Pup. Okay, safe diabetic food number one is a cheese dog, no bun. So we found a cheese dog, no bun at Pronto Pups. I want to say it's about $5, but I'll confirm that. I don't know the sugar content of the cheese. Usually cheese is very minuscule. No bun, but it's doable. It's an option. For reference, we are at 73, and oh my God, it's gone already. You inhaled it, but it was good? Okay, so we'll see how that process is. Oh, we're gonna mess with the experiment. Well, she's low enough that she can have some breading. We're gonna wait. Okay, so it has been about 40 minutes since we ate. Caroline's sugar is doing great. She is holding in the 80s, which is kind of perfect, really, for us. I did not eat, so I had a couple of the fried vegetables, but not really, like maybe two. I want a Philly cheesesteak, so we are headed to the Tasty Escape. Exactly.
Though. Yeah.
And then you crash. Okay, it's been a solid hour since she ate. Her numbers have gone up to 106. Now that was uncovered because she was so low, and we like to do that. Try and figure out how much something is gonna bump her so we know if we need to dose for it in the future. So that is like a clean experiment. So Tasty Escape, we went, you saw, it was amazing. I got a Gatorade Zero, which is 0 carbs, 0 added sugars, totally safe for the T1s. Then I got a sirloin Philly cheesesteak with no bun. They put it in a cup, in a bowl for me. It was delicious. That was $17. So we got, for $17, a sirloin Philly cheesesteak and a Gatorade. Totally safe for us. My husband and I actually split it. Okay. Bananas, nuts, little donuts, all delicious options, however, not safe for my little diabetic. Tasty Escape, stop number 2. This time we got a chicken and a steak, Philly cheesesteak. And of course, our Gatorade Zero. Yum! So about a week or so ago, Caroline and I stopped at Wendy's and we got 2 cheeseburgers, no bun. No fries, no drink, nothing else. It was $22. It's not super satisfying, but it was safe, so we went with it. This meal, we got 1 chicken, 1 steak, Philly cheesesteak, and a Gatorade. $30, and all 3 of us can eat from this, and we will all be full for hours. Next trip, we stopped at the Blue Jay Cafe. Right. Burger. Yum. What did you think of your burger?
Really good.
Really good? Your eyes even got big when you said it.
Yeah, hey, it's like, it's cheesy.
Cheesy? And you feel full? Now, I was starting to run out of money, so we did not buy anything from CJ's this trip. However, I'm sure you can get the pulled pork without a bun. They do also have turkey legs, and as you head back down the boardwalk towards the suspension bridge, you can also stop at the taco shop. I've been chatting with the Ryans because we love a taco, so we're gonna see if we can do like a taco bowl at the taco shop, or if maybe security will let us bring in our diabetic-friendly chips so that we could do a walking taco there as well. We'll be watching and waiting all season to find more and more healthy foods for us at the park. But for now, I hope those tips helped. You can stay healthy while being at your favorite place.